The Samsung fully automatic top-loading washing machine is designed for eco-fabric care. This elegantly built machine is designed to offer maximum ease of use. The control panel is equipped with a diverse range of convenient one-touch washing presets that help deliver the perfect washing performance. Is to soak and scrub tough stains before the wash. The diamond drum is specially designed to offer maximum fabric protection. Its diamond-shaped ridges clean your clothes gently and thoroughly. The smaller water exit holes have smooth ridges to ensure that your clothes don't get trapped and damaged. The easy-to-clean magic filter traps lint and other particles, giving you clean, lint-free clothes with every wash. The specially designed stainless steel pulsator creates a powerful water shower within the drum. This ensures that dirt is removed effectively and your clothes get a thorough wash. Built of high-grade stainless steel, the pulsator is corrosion-resistant and has a long life. The digital inverter motor automatically adjusts its operation according to the load, saving as much water and energy as possible. With eco-fabric care, Samsung fully automatic top-loading washing machines give you the perfect wash with the perfect savings.
Is it enough to just clean the surface of your clothes? Invisible fungus and bacteria are hiding in your clothes. A healthy and clean solution from Panasonic. Blue AG plus bacteria elimination technology. OH radicals and silver ions, Ag+ attack fungus and bacteria effectively. Double disinfection for more reassurance. Panasonic Blue Ag+ bacteria elimination technology.
Siemens presents Avant-Garde. The new laundry care appliances offer an overall harmonic appearance, an outstanding design without compromises. Thanks to the beautifully crafted inclined control panel, the washing machine and the dryer are even more appealing and much more convenient to use. The new multi-touch display allows you to intuitively operate every feature with a touch of a finger. The brilliant design isn't all. With IDOS, the washing machine automatically determines the level of detergent for every washing cycle, for excellent results and minimum use of resources. Use My Time to adjust the duration of the program to your individual needs. And with My Favorite, you can memorize your preferred combination of program and option and select it again at any time. The Siemens Avant-Garde dryer offers you the self-cleaning condenser, so that the condenser is cleaned automatically after every drying cycle. This way the performance and energy efficiency are kept constantly high for the entire lifetime of your appliances. It's the guarantee for perfect laundry care. The new Siemens Avant-Garde laundry care appliances, not built to meet your expectations, but to exceed them.
Introducing the AEG 7000 series washing machines. Effortlessly caring for your professional look by using steam at the end of the cycle to reduce creases and ironing. Pro Steam technology utilizes short, gentle steam programs to refresh creased clothes and safely remove odors for sharp results every time. Using the Plus Steam option at the end of a washing cycle reduces creases by up to 30% for less ironing, less dry cleaning, and less wear and tear on fibers. ProSense technology automatically tailors programs to optimize the treatment of every garment, protecting fabrics from unnecessary overwashing and reducing wear and tear, while also saving time, water, and energy. The Soft Plus option ensures softener reaches every part of the laundry, helping clothes feel softer, silkier, and smoother than ever before, while protecting fibers and prolonging the life of every garment. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Impeccable results every time. The AEG 7000 series washing machines.